today we are going to be cooking some rice. This is basmati white rice, long grain. It's a healthier choice than your diabetic. And we are going to be using this rice cooker. It is probably one of the most basic rice cookers. First things first, what we need to do is we take this out and we would cook our rice. So how much rice do you need? So I have a rice bowl, just the general size one. This. So I'm going to cook 2 bowls of rice and I'll show you the result of how much rice we get. Washing the rice. Okay. Just put some water in it. Keep swirling. Aggravate the water. Right, then we'll see the water is quite cloudy, milky looking, and it's got all these bubbles. So this is all the starch. Right, don't worry about pouring the whole thing out because it's like rice starts falling out and you get worried about losing the rice. Right, so you see all the bubbles? Yeah. That's what the bubbles is what we need to get out from the cloudiness. Okay, so this is the second wash. Less so. I was always taught to just wash it 3 times and that's okay, but I'll do it 4 times. I want to get this a bit more clear. Yeah, so that's, you can actually see the bottom, distinguish the bottom from the sides. So there's not that many starchy bubbles. Right, still no need to pull every single drop of water out. Now we're going to do the last fill. Okay. What do I do for measurement? Oh, it's perfect. Right? I would place your finger in the water and your finger just touch the surface of the rice to the top of the water with your finger, and you get a good indication of how much water that you would probably need. So for myself, I just have it just below my knuckle here. It doesn't matter how much rice you put into the pot. It could be 1, 2, or 3, or 4. It's the same way of measuring. So you just have to put in that same amount of water on top of the rice and it'll be all good. So, then we take this, place it into the rice cooker. Lid. You see this little hole. This is where all the steam, all the stuff come out. So I generally try to move it away from the cupboard pointing. If not, all the steam will just go underneath and just make the whole place a little bit messier than I want. So, right, time to cook. This one has got a red light here. And once it's finished, it'll flip to warm. You could actually speed this up by putting hot water or boiled water. Right, now the rice is cooked. You see that it's nice. Wow, steamy. Okay, steamy rice. And what we need to do is break it up. So nice fluffiness, nice sticky. It's always good to then chip down the rice. Stir it. Fluff it up. Alright, a good way of put the steam away. Right, a good way of preparing your rice, an rice bowl, is you don't have to fill it all the way up. So put in some rice and then you sort of pack it down on the sides like this. And make a nice dome. So then your vegetables and your meat and your bits and all go sort of fit into the bowl when you take your items. Yeah.
And let's eat! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and I will see you next time.